Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Angela, and if you're interested in lifestyle, fun videos with tips and also fashion, then please hit the like, comment, and share down below. Once you hit my subscribe button, make sure that you hit the bell notification. It's usually located right next to the subscribe button on my channel, so make sure that you go to my homepage and hit subscribe. And I also wanted to bring to you today something a little bit more fun and a little bit more interesting. I'll do a comparison between Dick's and Kohl's, and I went shopping for athletic kids. I have two sons, I have two boys who are in soccer, and they do not like jeans, okay? And they do not like pants other than jogger pants, athletic pants. You cannot mess around with these boys. They want what they want, and they go to school like that. They like it. So I'm happy when they're happy. I'm happy that they're following their passion, they're following their dream, and I'll let them do that. But mommy had to go shopping for them so that they could have something warm for the upcoming fall, for the upcoming winter, for the upcoming seasons. One tip I wanted to give you all is that if you're going shopping for boys and you're going to these athletic stores, or even if you're going for girls, okay, make sure that you pay attention to the sizes. In some brands, a large is a 12 to 14, and in other brands like 14 to 16. So a mother can get really confused really quickly when out shopping, and I just wish that all the brands would just make it all the same, but unfortunately it is not the case. So I ended up getting an extra large for my oldest, who's 12 years old, and I'm thinking, okay, well, I know he's not in a 12 to 14, and I think he's gonna be more like in a 14 to 16 this time, and I'm thinking, okay, well, let's just bump it up to an extra large. And then on some tags, they won't even say the range. Like, it won't even say like if it's 12 to 14 or 14 to 16. And so I just started grabbing the extra large. And then I went to Kohl's, and then I saw that they were actually on sale. I had grabbed some from Dick's, and then I went to Kohl's, and I'm like, wow, okay, over here at Kohl's I'm saving like $8 for a sweatshirt. The sweatshirt was like $40. That's typical of a sweatshirt, athletic sweatshirt. And I went to Kohl's, and they had it on sale, that same exact sweatshirt on sale for $32, which was an $8 savings. So I said, okay, well, I'm definitely going to go back to the Dick's store, take it back, and then go back to Kohl's and get me the cheaper one. It's just the way that it lucked out. All of the other items I did get from my oldest son from Dick's because they didn't carry it at Kohl's. So you have to be mindful of what you are looking for in terms of sizing. Okay, that's tip number one. Pay attention to the sizing. And tip number two is pay attention to the pricing. You know, it's easy to go in there and just start seeing what you like, but then not really compare the prices. So definitely pay attention to the pricing, because you can get a significant amount of savings for an exact item. Okay, so that's tip number two. So now let's just jump into just showing you what items might look like. You can actually use this as a guide to go shopping for your son or your daughter, or for your kids if they're athletes and you're looking for something very similar. So let's get started, and I hope this is a fun video for you all. Okay, so this is the Dick's bag. So let's start taking these things out so that you can see. All right. So right here, and I got an Adidas sweatshirt. Okay, I hope that you guys can see that. Okay, that basically it comes with a hoodie, and I love that. I love the little detailing on it. It's an Adidas sweatshirt. It's black and red, and then I also wanted to get the bottoms for this. I had one particular bottoms in mind, but they didn't have the size, so I decided to go ahead and get a black pair, because I felt like a black pair is pretty universal. And it's an Adidas pair of pants, and it has the detailing right here. You can see that. That's the detailing right there that goes down, right? and that can actually match with this sweatshirt that I had gotten. This Adidas sweatshirt I had gotten, okay? And it has a drawstring too, because my son, he has a very tiny waist, so this is always really good for him. So I'm gonna fold that here, set that there so you can see that's what I got him. And then I wanted to make sure that whatever colors that I chose, I wanted to make sure that he could mix and match the colors. So of course a black can go with a lot of different outfits, so I decided to get this black pair of pant, and this black pair of pant can also go with this gray and black, and he's into gray and black. Like, I actually asked him, you like gray? He's like, yes, I love gray. So he likes gray and he likes black. Okay, so I got him another gray and black shirt, Adidas shirt. Okay, and I love like this color, like the way that it's like a mix between a gray and a lighter gray, like a darker gray and a lighter gray. I like that. And then there's some black throughout it as well. Or that actually might be like a darker gray. Actually, it's a darker gray and a black and a lighter gray. Yep, so that I just absolutely love. It comes with a hoodie as well, with the detailing on the top of the hoodie. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. Now, this was the actual shirt right here that was actually from Kohl's that I actually had originally gotten from Dick's, but then I went ahead and took this back and got it from Kohl's. So they had it, both of these sweatshirts. So I actually ended up getting these from Kohl's and getting $8 deals off of both of them. So I pretty much saved $16 to get these nice quality sweatshirts. And then I also got this Under Armour. Okay, I love these pants. I love the way they look. They're jogger pants, by the way. You see that? That's what makes these like jogger pants. It's a little tapered at the end. And then you have the drawstring here. But this is an Under Armour sweatpant, okay? And I love this for my boy. I actually got this for both of my boys because I really liked it. Alright. And let me tell you, this will go with the red, or it will go with this top over here with the gray and the black as well. They can get a lot of wear out of those. Okay, so when it's really cold outside, this is what's really going to work for them when it starts to get really cold and they need something a little bit more heavier than just what they're wearing to school every day. And also I wanted to get a little t-shirt to go underneath of it. I tried to keep my shopping a little simple. So basically, you see the Adidas emblem going down, and then you see red, black, and white. And I also let my kids pick like the design they want. They want Adidas, and I go and get Adidas. They want Under Armour, I get Under Armour. So I like to allow my kids to have some say so when it comes to clothes. Now, this is for my 12-year-old, and I'm really happy with what I got. And then this is for my 10-year-old. I love my 10-year-old. He is very rambunctious. He's also a very brilliant soccer player at 10 years old. And I am so happy to be his mom. Very proud of my sons, both of them. And this is his personality right here. He loves these kinds of colors. He loves to just basically show off because he is a Leo rising. So he really likes these kinds of clothing, and his eyes, they light up. And it looks very kid friendly. I love these colors. He loves green, blue, and this is also gray. And this also comes with a hoodie, and it's so super soft, you guys. It has the tapered arms, and this is perfect for when you want to wear jogger pants as well. And he can throw this hoodie on when he gets cold in school, or he can throw this hoodie on when it's cold outside. This is an Under Armour shirt, and it is very, very fun. It's a fun shirt. It is a fun sweatshirt. Okay, so that's that. And also, like I was saying before, I got my son, my youngest, my 10-year-old, I got him the same exact sweatpant as my oldest. I usually don't really dress them the same, but sometimes I do if I really, really like a pair of pants and they don't see each other. Like one is in a different school than the other, so it's really not going to matter a whole lot. So I do have the jogger pant, and you can see it's tapered at the bottom. You see the Under Armour emblem here. That's what it looks like. Just how gorgeous this pair of pants is. And it has the pockets. It has pockets in the back, and it also has pockets on the side. So I absolutely love that. Okay. So my kids are fun. They like to actually take clothes and be fun with their clothes. So even though this is not a matchy color, he will really rock this. He will rock this sweatshirt with these pants. And then I saw at Kohl's that they had this really fun sweatpant. These are Adidas. And you can see like the nice detailing that they're famous for right there on the side. And then you can see right here where it says Adidas. Okay, it looks very kind of like, I just love the way that the colors kind of blend into each other. It's kind of like a turquoise going into a green on the side. That was really dope. And I felt like these pants could actually go with this Under Armour shirt. I do mix up the brands. I don't always stick to the brands. If something looks dope, I'll actually go with different ones. So this is a nice gray pair of sweatpants with a pop of color on the side, and I love that, you guys. So I hope you guys are getting some fashion tips here, so that when you go out to shop, you have an idea what you want to get your kids as well before the season starts to get very, very cold. All right. And then I also got this. This was from Kohl's, and it wasn't that expensive. I think this was a $14 shirt, and it has a Minecraft on it. It has a periodic table on it, and I thought this would be very fun for my son to wear while he's in class. Okay, and here's a sweatshirt. He could wear this under his sweatshirt, and he could pair it with a pair of sweatpants. And I just love that because he really is into Minecraft. He'll play that all day. Like, he really loves Minecraft. He loves building things. He loves to create things. Outside of being an athlete, he really loves to do that. And I just love this very beautiful like jersey type material for Xavier, and it has like a black Under Armour emblem on them, and actually got quite a few of these. They had them in red, they had them in blue, they had them in all sorts of colors, and I had gotten this also for them right around the end of the summer as well, with some shorts. They were on sale, and I was super excited to go shopping for them so that they could have some nice items to wear to school. And I also love this with everything that I had gotten for Xavier. All the colors were pretty much, it had green throughout everything, so that's pretty much perfect for his taste. He loves green, and so this will go nicely with these sweatpants. It'll go nicely with the first set of sweatpants, which is the gray ones I was telling you about earlier. Okay, so that's basically all that I had gotten, and I just wanted to just drop in very quickly because I know the season is changing, and I was like, well, let me just try to hurry up and show everyone that like you can do this, very possible, and just have a great time doing it. Just be aware of the tips that I shared throughout this video when you're going shopping, and this brings me so much joy to be able to share this with you all. Have fun while you're shopping for your kids as well. So if you did like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, make sure that you comment, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and when you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the notification bell right next to it. Please check out my homepage and make sure that you subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!